Hey guys, welcome to another quick tip in Logic this time. Um, Today I want to show you a cool method on how to make a rise or a build up a little bit more special. So for these sounds I have this one without the equalizer. It sounds like this. And it's just a bunch of sounds with a lot of reverb and flangers and all kinds of stuff on it to make it a little bit more weird. And then I reversed it, so this is a reversed reverb. And to do that you can double click the audio file and go to File and say Functions, Reverse. That is in Logic, and in Ableton you can do it in the sample editor as well. At the bottom of the page there will be a reverse button. So I've got two of those similar sounds. So just reverse the reverbs. And then I did another pretty standard thing, is where I used a single equalizer. You can find that at EQ and then single band EQ. And it looks very boring, just like this, but it's perfect for these kinds of jobs because it's very simple and it has this one slider. Well, there's two, but you only have to worry about the frequency slider to modulate. And if you press A on your keyboard, you go into the modulation view, and then you go to single EQ and then say frequency. And then you can drag this line. So this is gonna move that slider. So if I solo this track and with the plugin open, you can see what it does. So it's allowing more lows through when the sound is progressing. So here it's very much high passed, so it's a low cut, so it's a high pass. And then it opens up. That is for that one. But the trick I actually wanted to show you, for this sound I did the same with the frequency, but I also used the direction mixer. And you can find that in, I think, imaging, yeah, direction mixer. And this one is a tool that allows you to control the width of the sound, so the stereo-ness of the sound. And when the spread is set all the way to 2, so all the way like this, the sound is going to be very stereo. And when this is set to 0, the sound is going to be completely mono. And if you modulate that spread control to make it move like this, the sound will go from very wide to very center. And that is this line that you see. So it starts out very stereo and then it becomes almost mono. So it's a little bit low in the mix right now. Could probably tweak this a little bit more. So if you're listening on headphones, you can clearly hear that the sound is coming towards the middle. And the cool thing of that is that you create a huge contrast, because when your drop or the section after the build is very stereo, you will have this immense shift from very mono to very wide, and that will give impact, because you can make impact in different ways. You can use loud sounds, but you can also just use contrast, so from beautiful to raw, or from wide to narrow, or low to high, or slow to fast. Those are all ways to create impact and big changes. This stereo trick is one of them. So to show you that in the context of the track, and like I said, this is best heard when you use a headphone, but I'll play it. So I hope you got something out of that, and thanks for watching.